Hey everyone, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can use Clickfunnels to sell physical products. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies to help you build a sustainable, profitable business. So as you know, using Clickfunnels you can promote and sell variety of products. So I'll be giving you one very nice strategy with which you can sell any kind of physical product, be it a book, a camera, be it Amazon product, could be anything. And that cool strategy is called free plus shipping. Yes, free plus shipping method is where in the front end you are offering a product for free, and then in the back end on the other pages of the funnel, as a one-time offers, you are promoting, you are selling other products. Give you an example. As you can see, Clickfunnels own product, which is a .com secrets book. What they are doing, they are giving the book for free, and they are only charging the shipping for it. So this is the landing page or the squeeze page, you can say, for .com secrets book, and it says free book. .com secrets, the underground playbook for growing your company online. And on this side, on the right hand side, you can see it says get a free copy of .com secrets shipped in less than 7 days, and they are only charging for shipping. And then once you go through to the next page, on the next page they are going to promote you with the other product of Clickfunnels, which is the one funnel away challenge. So that is how you need to sell your own physical products. Or if you're into drop shipping business, you can use this method called free plus shipping to be successful. It's a very successful trending method these days. Many people are doing free plus shipping, and I've got a funnel for you which you can use for your free plus shipping method to sell any physical product. Let me show you this funnel. So this is the overall funnel. It has got a squeeze page, an order form, an O2O page, which is the one-time offer, and then there's second O2O page and a confirmation page. So let's have a look at the squeeze page. So over here, you are going to give anything out for free. So for example, if you are into shipment of t-shirts or maybe some home furnishing stuff, then on this particular page you can give out a book, maybe, or a physical book, I'm saying, or you can give out any small product for free, only charge the customer for shipping. So let's say you're just giving out one t-shirt over here for free, and then on the next page, once they express their interest, and this is the order form page where they're going to put in their credit card information. And on this page there is one very cool thing. This section, what you're seeing, this is called an order bump. So on this page, on this particular section, you can bump the order. Let's say you want to add a cap as well for $5, or you want to add some other product, so that you can do over here, and that is called an order bump. And on this page you will get the credit card information from the customer. Customer has paid for the shipping. And then on the next page you are going to promote your other physical product. Let's say you were giving one t-shirt for free, and now on this page you can do like get 4 t-shirts for $30. If you buy individual, they will cost you $10 each or something like that. And then they will have an option to, yes, upgrade my order, or no, thanks, I'll pass this, huge saving. So up till this page, customer has already given you their credit card information, so they've already paid. So it is easy for them to trust in you, and they're gonna take your one-time offer, the upgrade which you're offering. And then on the next page, similarly, you can offer one more upgrade. Let's say take 10 t-shirts for $100 or $90, $75, something like that. Or maybe some recurring thing you can put in over here. Let's say get a t-shirt every month for $15 or something like that. So this is the idea. This is the concept which I'm telling you. And then if they decide to do the upgrade, then they will click here, and they don't have to enter their credit card information once again, because they have already entered their credit card information on the second page. And then finally they will be coming to the thank you page, and here they will get all the details, a receipt as to what all they have purchased through the entire funnel. So this is how guys, you are going to promote physical products, be it a drop shipping, or if it's your physical product, that's the way to go. And you can also use this funnel to help out other local businesses who are into selling physical products. So if you want access to this funnel, just drop me an email at saurabh@digitalmarketingparadise.com, and I will get back to you with the funnel. And I will also assist you personally to set up the funnel the way you want for your particular niche and for your particular offer. And I'm not going to charge you anything for that. So I hope you got some value out of this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and all this funnel stuff, please click on the link down below, and you will get access to my free affiliate marketing training course, and that is going to help you to build and set up your own online business. So guys, that is all for this particular video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.